Hey everyone, Zane here, and today we're going to review my free DirecTV. If you are on the lookout for a way to watch TV for free, you may have come across my free DirecTV. But is it actually legit, or is it too good to be true? In this video, we are diving deep into my free DirecTV, breaking down how it works, what it offers, and whether it's worth your time. Stick around till the end so you don't miss any crucial details. What is my free DirecTV? So what exactly is my free DirecTV? Unlike traditional DirecTV subscriptions, which require monthly payments, this service claims to provide free access to a selection of channels and on-demand content. The key word here is claims. Some sources suggest it's an ad-supported version, while others hint at alternative access methods. It's important to clarify that it is not the same as DirecTV Stream or DirecTV's traditional satellite service. Instead, it seems to be a limited version that gives users access to select content without a paid subscription. How does it work? Now let's talk about how my free DirecTV actually works. According to users, the platform lets you sign up for free and watch a selection of live channels. But here's the catch. Some features require a trial or an eventual paid upgrade. Additionally, ads are a big part of the experience, similar to Pluto TV or Tubi. This means that while you can watch certain content for free, you may not get premium channels like ESPN, HBO, or regional sports networks. The selection depends on availability and licensing agreements, which can change over time. Is it legit or a scam? Alright, the big question is my free DirecTV actually legit? Here's the truth. While there is no outright scam here, the experience isn't exactly what most people expect. Free streaming services are common, but they often come with trade-offs like limited content and lots of ads. Some users have reported issues with inconsistent streaming quality and frequent interruptions. Also, if you see third-party websites offering free DirecTV access in exchange for personal information, be cautious. DirecTV doesn't officially promote this service, so always verify before signing up. Pros and cons. To sum it up, let's break down the pros and cons of my free DirecTV. Pros: free access to select live channels, no credit card required for basic usage, works on multiple devices. Cons: limited content selection, frequent ads and potential interruptions, no guarantee of long-term access. If you are looking for a true free streaming alternative, services like Pluto TV, Tubi, or Freevee might actually offer a better selection without as many limitations. Conclusion: so, is my free DirecTV worth it? Well, if you just want some free TV and don't mind the limitations, it might be okay. But if you are expecting a full DirecTV experience without paying a dime, you might be disappointed. My advice: stick to trusted free streaming services and always double check before signing up for anything that seems too good to be true. And that's all for this review. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to support us with like, subscribe to the channel, leave us a good comment, and share this video with your friends. Thanks for watching and see you in a new video.